Chapter 4, Sloka 24. Always chant before eating. Brahmarpanam Brahmahavihi. Brahmarpanam Brahmahavihi. Brahmarpanam Brahmahavihi. Brahmagnau Brahmanahutam. Brahmagnau Brahmanahutam. Brahmagnau Brahmanahutam. Brahmarpanam Brahmahavihi. 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 Brahmagnau Brahmanahutam. Brahmaiva tena gantavyam. Brahmaiva tena gantavyam. Brahmaiva tena gantavyam. Brahma karma samadhina. Brahma karma samadhina. Brahma karma samadhina. Brahmaiva tena gantavyam. 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 Brahma karma samadhina. Brahmarpanam Brahmahavihi. Brahmagnau Brahmanahutam. Brahmaiva tena gantavyam. Brahma karma samadhina.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.